Okay. Good afternoon, children. Here I am with electronic structure of functional group. We are doing alcohol, phenol, and ether chapter. So, as a representative of alcohol, we have here methanol. Methanol, methanol is CH3OH. On oxygen, there are two lone pairs. And what we see is this bond angle, COH bond angle is 108.9 degree. Bond length is CO bond length is 142 picometer, and dipole moment of this molecule is 1.71 dBi. Phenol itself representing phenol functional group. Here the bond angle is almost close to this only. It is 109 degree. Bond length, here bond length, it is compared to this one, CO bond length is very less, 136 picometer. So we will explain all these values. And this is methoxymethane representing ether. And here the COC bond angle, it is 111.7 degree, more than these two cases. Bond length is here almost same as this one. So all this we are going to explain here. Now you know this, you have studied in class 11. So for example, methane is sp3 hybridized, and here it has the tetrahedral angle of 109 degree 28 minutes. This is we know. So here also, like you see, surrounding oxygen there are four electron pairs, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's why this value, this bond angle value is close to this one. And now why it is less? Why it is less than this one? It is because lone pair repulsion. Because of lone pair repulsion greater than lone pair bond pair, this bond has come closer. So the reason for bond angle in methanol slightly less than this one, it is because lone pair repulsion greater than lone pair bond pair. Okay, and here bond angle is almost same. Now why the bond angle in case of ether it is more in this case? It is because methyl, it is a bulky group. This methyl also is a bulky group. So what happens is, though here also there is lone pair repulsion is there, lone pair bond pair repulsion also is there, but here this bulky group, there is steric repulsion. This bulky group, there is steric repulsion which dominates over other things. That's why in case of ether, the bond angle is more. So it is because of steric repulsion between the bulky groups. Now coming to the case of bond length, here the bond length is less, 136 picometer, where the bond length is more. Okay, it is because here this carbon is sp3 hybridized, but this carbon it is sp2 hybridized. So this one has more S character, this one has less S character, and you know that more is the S character, less will be the bond length. So the reason why here bond length is less than this one, because this is sp2 hybridized, this carbon has more S character, That's why lesser bond length. And here the bond length is almost same as this one. It is also because here carbon is sp3 hybridized. So bond length has been explained. Now let us try to explain this value. Dipole moment of methanol is 1.71 dBi. Dipole moment of phenol, it is 1.54 dBi. That means this is much more polar than this one. Why this is much more polar? It is because you can see this is oxygen. Oxygen is electronegative. So this oxygen will carry delta minus. It is much more electronegative than carbon and hydrogen. So this hydrogen will be delta plus. This carbon will be delta plus. Total positive charge on this two will be equal to total negative charge here. And because of this polarity, its dipole moment is 1.71 dBi. And why the polarity of phenol it is less? It is because here the carbon is sp2 hybridized. The carbon is sp2 hybridized. sp2 hybridized carbon is more electronegative. So here it is polarity is more because oxygen is electronegative and carbon is not so electronegative. Carbon here is sp3 hybridized and carbon here is sp2 hybridized. sp2 hybridized carbon is more electronegative than sp3 hybridized. So here there is difference in electronegativity more, but here the difference between these two in electronegativity becomes less. That's why it is less polar and dipole moment is less, 1.54 dBi. So I think all these things we have explained. Okay, so these are very important. On this question comes in exam. Okay, next after this we will be doing about physical property of alcohol and phenol.